How to install actions into Photoshop. Open your desired browser and search for the actions you would like to add. Actions are quick buttons that can help you automatically repeat steps that have been recorded. Download the action S and check where it's saved to in your File Explorer. If file is in a zip file, then extract it. Then go to Photoshop and open the Actions panel. Right-click on the Options button there and select Load Actions. Locate the file in your File Explorer, click on it, and press Open. To use your action in Photoshop, you either use the play button when the button mode is toggled off, or simply click on the action directly when the button mode is toggled on.